Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to make a 3D person of text. Okay, let's go starting in Photoshop, going to new file and select the Photoshop size and change color to any colors, just a color of background. Okay, now let's go create and go to text and click anywhere from this dashboard. Okay, and type any text. So now just have double click at the text to change a color to any color. You can see it over. Okay, and now click OK, and now change the size to 150 and change the impact to this symbol. Okay, and now click that done and resize the tape to a bigger size. And now go here, just one click and right click again and go to select convert to smart object or convert to smart object, and now focus with me. Press and hold the alt button from your keyboard and move this, like you can move the W or A or S or D word from your keyboard buttons, okay, to make a slide or side of the picture, okay, like this. Okay, so now we need to selecting the all layers, okay, but how? I just tell you is go down, leave the M is without copy, okay, leave this M and background together, and now just click one click at the first copy and go to the end copy and press and hold the shift button from your keyboard and just click one click in here to make all selection. So now press and hold control with G, just when make the group, move the group to down, okay, and go click here at the space, one click and go to FX list and go to garden overlay. You can see make it a background of 3D, and now you can change the color in here. You can see now. Okay, just for example, and now we need to saving this picture from our file with press and hold Ctrl Shift S, and now change the type save as to JPG and rename any name. For example, I have a one copy, I make it in less time because this you need just to save. And now when you saved and go here to closing the window and go to open and open your saved project or your saved 3D text or your 3D word, and now go to the toolbar and select the quick selection tool and just wait a moment, and now make a border under the text. Okay, and now select the minus to backing the border. Okay, so now unlock in here, press at the look symbol to unlocking the background and press at the delete button from your keyboard, and now go to selecting the person picture and move and drop here. Okay, now when you drop it here, resize, okay, and any size and done, and go to image. So just focus in here, you need to change, if you see the mode is selected at the indexed color, you just need to changing to the RGB color. Okay, so now select the object selection tool and make a border like this, and now wait when making a border of the person. And now press and hold Ctrl and J to making a new layer. And now just move this picture to down and press and hold Ctrl and click at the layer to making a double selection together. Okay, so now with moving tool, resize to or resize as a biggest size. Okay, okay, so now click at the layer number 1 and go to Ether tool in here and resize the circle in here. So now remove the all, okay, the all person layer like this, just focus, okay, and go to here to remove link. Okay, now it's finished. This video is come to end. I hope you love it and don't forget like this video and share this video for anyone to learning it, and subscribe my channel to see more video in some time. See you again. Thank you for watching.